Yeah.
It is so wide. It is so wide you can hardly see the thing. Where do we go? Okay.
I'm gonna get the whole depth of the cloud here.
119th of May, 119th of May, we have a fourth tornado on the ground.
It's moving quick, man. You want to go further north?
Yes.
Let's roll north.
Hold on. Power flashes with houses.
Yeah, let's go.
That makes a great shot because just let it go. I'm gonna let it go frame and out the.
Cool.
Just keep watching this and look at it. I'll tell you where it is. You folks all the way. Tornado warning continues. Northern Cleveland.
Got ready to roll north?
Oklahoma County. So from
Fucker's moving.
Okay.
44. Okay, South Oklahoma. Oh boy. Okay. Quick check as we look. The damage path is so wide. Tornado is so wide. Let me tell you. Tornado warning for Alfalfa County in northwest Oklahoma. We'll come back to in just a second. You folks in Alfalfa County. Get the details on that right there. Golf ball size hail north of Taker. But let me tell you, anywhere, this is once again southeast. No, I need to look this very quick. Right in here is Del City, from Del City area.
Yeah, this looks.
Take your immediate tornado touch. This thing is moving up this direction. I'll just run the arrow up here 40 away. But right now it's moving Del City, Tinker, Moore. Huge tornado, deadly tornado, back to Ranger 9. Very wide path tornado continues. It is so large we can barely see it. And we'll go back.
I'm just going to shoot through your window because that's the kind of shots we kind of need.
Way up in this area.
Believe it.
Towards the Moore area.
We got a 2-laner. We'll be able to. Ready to roll? Yeah, they're hovering. They're spinning away. It's getting ready to produce again, I think. There it goes. Windshield wipers once. Go. There's still a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground, multiple vortex tornado again. Watch it go in front of the road. May see power flash, just keep an eye. Appears to do no damage to the power lines. Very obviously a tornado on the ground again. If you look in the foreground, look at the rain blowing. It's blowing hard right now where we are.
Another tornado forming on the backside. Stop, let it go by us. There's the tornado. Tornado number 5, we've seen tornado number 5. The funnel appears to have lifted up, but there does not appear, there still appears to be a tornado on the ground. Go. Still a tornado on the ground, look at the debris. Yep. Where? Hold on, let me get video of it. Damage, tornado damage.
My window down, yours up. Or the stuff will blow around everywhere.
Tornado beginning to reform. Debris blowing around. Just parallel it, Ryan. Go as fast as you can to parallel it. Big tornado again. God is the only one who can protect people right now. The only one.
That's big.
That is one thing I assure you of. Big tornado. Very large tornado. Ryan, the world, Ryan. You gotta see it all day long later. Very large tornado, approximately 1/4 mile wide, maybe 1/2 mile wide. Very, very large. Multiple vortex tornado. Very large tornado. Very large tornado. This is going to be between an F3 and F4 at this point. The rotation that I see in the sky is unbelievable. Inflow jet's obvious.
Getting into trees. It's your choice. You want to stop down here at the bottom of this hill?
No.
You don't?
Just continually re-getting ourselves in better position, Ryan.
Alright.
We're off this farm further.
On the other side.
Oh my goodness, that thing is huge. 1/2 mile to a mile wide at this time. It just takes up the whole sky. It's just simply that large.
I got the road.
Quite obviously a huge tornado. Get on top of the highway and then turn the car sideways just in case we need to spin it around. No, it's not coming towards us. Tornado's simply enormous at this
Sideways
point.
that way, right?
No, you're fine, you're fine. It's not coming towards us. Get us on top of the hill and stop filming the video. Get some pictures now. Now is the time to get out and get pictures.
Reloaded.
Why, you shot out?
Yeah, I ended out at that first place. Here, there's people going past their heads.
Go. Just go. Power line, stop! Stop! This monster's about to cross the road. Watch on the right side for power lines exploding. Just simply a huge tornado. Go!
It's already rewound to hear all the film if you can stop it in there.
Still a massive tornado on the ground. Simply huge. 1/2 mile wide at least. Go, 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 go. We're still on.
I can't go fast because
Okay.
it's freaking muddy, dude. And we're kind of sliding around anyways.
Still a huge tornado. Very violent. you take, this tornado is huge. Look at the debris on the right.
Flashers on or something?
Flashers on. There's debris. Go, 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 go! There's debris. Give me the other battery, please. Fast, Ryan.
Where's that? What pocket?
In the zipper top pocket. Power explosions. It's gonna end debris.
There's only one zipper top?
Yeah.
God, man. Get that top open.
Make sure it's not freaking anything huge. Tell me, keep looking, I can't see, Ryan.
Keep looking, but I can't find your battery right now.
See the funnel right in the middle. Turn around. Actually, no. Let's try to see if we can get anything while it crosses the road. Stay here. Good. What an idiot. Storm does not play games, guys. Look at that.